Welcome back to the Lockdown Hack series. Today we are going to discuss the topic, up to what age can I learn? To be more precise, the questions were mostly from 40 plus year olds asking, can we learn a particular skill? Can we learn a new language? Can we learn to sing a song? Can we learn to dance? Can we learn social media? So my dear friends, I am Rohini, and today I would like to answer all your questions in a huge yes. My friends, you do not need my permission or any validation from me or anyone in your life. Do you want to learn something? Then yes, you can go ahead. You need not seek anyone's permission, not the permission of your family members, not the permission of your children. Of course, we all need to accommodate all our family members. Of course, whatever we do, we need to do it with everybody's consensus. However, that really does not mean that you cannot learn anything, and there is no age bar to learn anything at all. So today I would like to share with you my story. And on Tuesday's video, I shared with you all that on Saturday I will let you know why I'm all dressed up. Why I'm all dressed up. So this was on 28th, 29th of April was International Dance Day, and on the on the instruction or the request of my Kathak teacher Ankana Kirtania, uh, and through her V Kathak Dance Academy, we all came together. Ankana, who is a dear friend of mine and an amazing person, so she and some of us Guru Bhaginis, we compiled a little dance rendition and we recorded that. You can check it out on my Facebook timeline, Rohini Gupta. If it is possible, if I can, I will really put a link down. You can please check it on my timeline. It's a very small poem, and please do check it out and let me know if you like it. So, my friends, I'd like to share with you a little story of mine, a little backstory. When I was 30, about 18 years back, I broke my ankle and later on my knee. And the doctor, I had a stick in my hand, by the way. So the doctors had told me I will never be able to climb stairs, I will never be able to sit down on the floor cross-legged. And I'm very happy to share with you today, I have passed my second Kathak exam. Why Kathak? It has been my childhood dream to learn Kathak. And while learning this new skill, I started learning at the age around 2 years back, so around 46 years old I was probably when I started learning. And one thing I realized, not did it only boost my morale, because this was my childhood dream. I had always wanted to learn, and at this age, with this weight, I was able to learn newly to balance my body, to conduct myself a little more gracefully. I'm still learning, need to be there. But never in my life had I ever dressed up the way I learned to dress up, the way I learned to look at myself as a graceful person. It was such an amazing transformation. The other day I shared a beautiful shloka with you. So even learning a new skill in this age just showed me that dancing is so much of understanding your own body, balancing your own self, that beautiful right balance, exuding that grace through your actions, through your expressions, sharing a story, Kathak, telling a story. And it was such a beautiful atmosphere for me. And through my work challenges and through all other responsibilities, I would miss a lot of classes, but I would still make it a point to really attend it, because that became my oasis. So my dear friends, no matter at what age you are, when I was younger, I used to think I'm too young, I may not have time. When I became a little middle-aged, I was thinking my daughter is so young, how can I do it? So this story is never going to end. The excuses story is never going to end. You will either always be too young, no time, too old, this challenge, that challenge. My dear friends, if that is the music in your heart, please sing the music that resonates in your heart before you die. There is no worse fate than dying with regret. And when I could start walking, and when I started doing things, this is something. And when I was studying the power of subconscious mind, and when I decided to start conducting trainings, before opening my mouth in public, I had to first use every principle that I had learned on myself. Test it, try it out on myself. Was it easy? No. Was I ridiculed? Absolutely. Did I give up? No. Will I give up? No. I will continue. People will say nasty things to you just because you are following your dream. Your family, your spouse, your children, neighbors, anyone. But amidst them, you will also find people who will encourage you. And when you persevere, my friends, and when you stand up for your own self, even the same people who tried to pull you down are the ones who are going to be inspired by you, inspired by your grit, inspired by your courage. And they will think that if she can do it, I can do it too. So you are going to be that beacon of hope for so many people. And if not for anything else, if you are the kind of person who cannot do things for yourself, then do it for your children, so that they will learn to live up their dreams. They will learn to take that chance to persevere and give themselves this opportunity to learn, to take the risk, to fail, to be the center of ridicule sometimes. But please persevere, live your dreams. Somebody has said the richest places in this world are the graveyards, because in those lie the unsung songs, the unsung stories, the films that were never produced, the award-winning films, the award-winning arts that were never produced, because people limited themselves, because people stopped themselves from doing what they could have dared to do and what they could have inspired others through their example. So my dear friends, during this lockdown, if you can give yourself that little time, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, please take out in your day for yourself. What is it that you like to learn? Today we are fortunate that on YouTube, online, everything that you learn or everything that you desire to learn is available. Please do yourself a favor and fulfill your wish. You do not need anybody's permission. Thank you very much, and thank you so much for all your wonderful comments, all your wonderful personal messages. I have gone through them. To most of you I have replied as well. So thank you so much for encouraging. Thank you for letting me know that you're liking this series. Please do keep sharing your feedback with me. I'm sure there will be a lot of scope for improvisation. I'm sure there are some technical glitches sometimes. I'm learning. Please bear with me, and thank you so much. Until we meet again, please shine, please like and subscribe and share it with your friends who you think might be encouraged by this video. And thank you so much. Until we meet again,